Your next literacy lesson is derived from robertkaplinsky.com. He's a mathematician that looks at real-world problems. And this one is, what does 2,000 calories look like in terms of one food item here? So if you kind of scroll down and look through the pictures, he looks at different types of food. For example, bagels. It would take 7 bagels to reach 2,000 calories. Donuts, about 7 donuts, really 6.6 donuts, and that kind of depends on what kind of donut you're looking at. 26 eggs. If you're looking at bacon, 50 pieces of bacon. Only 3 Cinnabons, really 2.27, all right. 3 Cinnabons is 2,640. So, I mean, if you're going to have bacon or a Cinnabon for breakfast, you can get a lot more bacon than a Cinnabon. Big Macs, 4 Big Macs is 2,200 calories, meaning you can have 3.8 Big Macs for 2,000. 42 chicken nuggets, 4 large fries from McDonald's. So you can see about 11 chicken nuggets will make 1 thing of fries. You know, a lot of bananas. Bananas are good for you. 6.5 avocados, a little guacamole. Chipotle burritos, only 2 of those. That's a lot of calories in one meal there. Basically, 1 pizza is 2,000 calories, and so on and so forth. So we're going to be looking at some food around my house and around your house that will end up being 2,000 calories. So my family and I love this delicious little snack, chocolate-covered raisins. But like every single food label, it gives you a lot of nutritional information here. So this one, for instance, says a serving size is 1/4 cup, and the amount of calories in a serving is 200 calories. And this is all based on a 2,000 calorie diet. And if you think about 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup isn't very big. It's only this big. And a lot of times, we'll just come into here and we'll just take a handful and pop those in my mouth, and that is about 1/4 cup right there. Now, thinking about that, what we're looking at is, what would 2,000 calories of just one food item look like? In this case, chocolate-covered raisins. So if a serving size is 1/4 cup, and that serving size also equals 200 calories, how many servings would we need for 2,000 calories? Well, this is simple here. 2,000 calories divided by 200 means it's going to take us 10 servings. And what does 10 servings look like in terms of chocolate-covered raisins? Well, we would take 1/4 cup times 10 servings, and that is 10/4 or 2.5 cups. So 2,000 calories of these chocolate-covered raisins would be 2.5 cups. So let's take a look at what that is. So I've got this measuring cup here. Up to this line is 2 cups. So I'm going to pour that in. That's about 2 cups right there. And then we add the extra half. So here is our 2.5 cups, which really, if this is all we're allowed to eat in a single day, this does not look like a lot of food, which is probably why this is a delicious but a dangerous little snack to have. Your assignment is going to be find a food item in your house where you can look at the label, figure out the serving size, and also how many calories in a serving, and how many servings is it going to take to reach 2,000 calories. Good luck.